Hi everyone, today we're going to be building our very own sun tracker. In order to make a sun tracker, you're going to need a few items. The first thing you're going to need is a paper plate or a piece of cardboard or a thick piece of paper. You're also going to need a marker and some pencils. You'll also need some tape, but if you can't find any tape, you can always use a little bit of Play-Doh or modeling clay. Also, you're going to need a straw, but if you can't find a straw, that's okay. Just use an extra pencil. In order to make your sun tracker, you're going to take your paper plate. Now you can decorate it if you want to. Put your pencil through a hole right in the middle of the paper plate and use either tape or the Play-Doh to hold the pencil in place. Now you're going to be doing this outside, so if it's a windy day, make sure you put a couple of rocks or maybe even tape your paper plate down to the ground or wherever you're setting it. Make sure it's out in the sunshine. The rocks will help it not blow away. After you've got it out in the sunshine, here's where you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw around the shadow that you see. Once you get done, leave your paper exactly where it is. You'll notice that this little boy does not move his paper all day long. He leaves it in the same place. He just comes out and he draws around the shadow. Take a look while the little boy draws a line using his pencil around the shadow. Now you notice he went around the shadow, not just through it. And then he leaves his paper in the same place. He moved, but his paper stayed in the same place, and he came back an hour later, and now he's drawing around the shadow again. In a second, you'll get a better close-up view, a little bit more close-up. Here you can see how he's drawing around the shadow. And remember, don't move your paper, leave it in the exact same spot all day long. You're going to come back every hour, and you're going to draw around the shadow that the pencil or straw is making on your paper. And that will be your sun tracker. Every time that you come out and you draw around the shadow, make sure you put the time. So if it's 10 a.m., put a 10. If it's 11, put an 11, and so on. Make sure you put the time, and you can have your parents help you with that at the end of each shadow drawing.